एनसीएससी ने दो गोल्ड ट्रेडिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स इंट्रोड्यूस करे हैं. वन इज गोल्ड फ्यूचर्स एंड द अदर इज 24/7 गोल्ड ट्रेडिंग. एनसीएससी, जो कि एक ऑफशोर मल्टी एसेट ब्रोकिंग फर्म है, which has now come up with the two trading instruments, gold futures and gold 24/7 trading, as part of its ongoing effort to strengthen its precious metals trading ecosystem. Now, what is the company purpose? To broaden market access and to improve liquidity efficiency. So let's find it out. The upgrade is designed to improve liquidity depth, increase trading flexibility, and support more diversified investment strategies across global markets. So, what will be the role of the gold futures? It is structured around standardized futures pricing. It is primarily designed for medium to long-term positioning strategies, helping traders reduce sensitivity to short-term liquidity constraints commonly observed in spot gold markets. Now, what Gold 24/7 do? It delivers uninterrupted trading access throughout the week, including weekends and global holidays. This feature effectively removes the limitations of traditional market closure periods and reduces the impact of weekend price gaps on the trading positions. During weekends and non-operational trading periods, global interbank settlement activities typically paused, so which may lead to reduced liquidity in gold 24/7 trading. So in such conditions, bid-ask spreads may widen compared to standard weekday sessions, requiring traders to exercise enhanced caution in position management. Meanwhile, gold futures contracts operate under fixed expiration schedules and are not designed for indefinite holding. Traders are advised to track contract maturity dates carefully and take appropriate action, either closing or rolling over positions prior to expiration to avoid forced liquidation. So meanwhile, both gold products continue to support high leverage trading mechanisms. Looking ahead, the firm plans to further refine its trading infrastructure and expand its multi-asset product offerings, aiming to provide more efficient and resilient trading solutions for global market participants under different market conditions.